Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and when you're ready, let your eyes close. And if at any moment you need to shift or adjust, you can, because all that matters is that you are comfortable. Take a slow breath in and out. And as you breathe, you don't have to fight any sensations, you don't have to force anything to disappear. For now, you're simply allowing your body and mind to settle one breath at a time. Now bring your attention to your forehead and feel the muscles soothing and softening. And let that softness move down around your eyes. Let your eyes relax deeply. Let your jaw unclench. Let your tongue rest easy. Your throat soften. And your shoulders lower just a little because they're allowed to put down their burdens. Now notice your chest and your breath. No need to change it, just notice. And with each exhale, imagine a signal being sent. I am safe in this moment to relax deeply. Allow that softening to travel down your arms, through your elbows, your wrists and your hands, all the way down to your fingertips. Now let your attention move to your belly. If it's comfortable, let the belly be open and unguarded just for now, and feel the gentle movement of breath in and out like a slow tide. Then down through the hips, the thighs, the knees, ankles, the feet, until even your toes feel slightly heavier and more relaxed. Now bring your attention to the area of discomfort, only as much as you can manage. You don't have to zoom in too close. You can observe it from a comfortable distance. And notice, is the sensation sharp, dull, hot, cold, tight, throbbing, heavy, or something else? And as you notice, remind yourself, sensation is information, and I can meet it with great love and calm. You can even say internally, body, thank you for communicating, I'm listening, and I'm not going to panic. And if any part of you has been bracing or pushing or fighting, see if you can soften the struggle around the sensation. Because sometimes the body can relax around pain, and that truth alone can reduce the intensity. Now bring to mind another powerful truth. There will be a moment when this pain is less, a moment when it shifts, a moment when it eases, and a moment when it's over. You don't have to know exactly when, just know that change is a natural part of your body's nature. And you can tell yourself, I have the strength to withstand this moment. I have endured and overcome before. I can keep going, breath by breath. Feel that strength, not as a tension, not as something fighting, but as a calm steadiness. Now imagine that your breath is moving through the area of discomfort, like warm air or a gentle light. On each inhale, you can bring in softness, And on each exhale, you can release as much as you can. And you might silently say, body, release what isn't needed. Muscles, soften. Nerves, settle. And circulation, flow. You're not forcing anything, you're inviting and allowing. See an image of a dial, like a volume knob, connected to the sensation. Turn it down one step. Could be 5% or even 2%. Whatever is realistic for your body right now. And if it goes down by lots, that's good too, but there's absolutely no pressure. Now imagine that you can shift your perspective to a wider view. Picture yourself in a safe place, maybe a calm room or a beautiful, peaceful outdoor scene. And in this scene, imagine there are 2 layers. The lower body, so the body that's experiencing sensations, and the upper you, your consciousness, your awareness is just a few feet, like you're floating above your body, but still connected, no longer fused with the sensation. And from here, you can observe the discomfort like it's a tiny pimple. So it may be here, but it's only a small dot on your body. And say, I am not my pain. I am the one who notices. I can feel this experience from a calm, safe place. And notice what changes when you relate to it this way. Because even if the sensation stays, the suffering can soften. You know that your body has amazing healing intelligence, and it's quietly working in the background like a skilled team, repairing and recalibrating. Visualize the area of discomfort and see it receiving exactly what it needs. Oxygen, warmth, nutrients, rest, support, a gentle massage. And imagine every exhale carrying away what your body has finished with. So waste, inflammation, things that is no longer needed. And tell your body gently, do what you can at the pace that is right. I support you. Step by step, things are improving. And if it feels right, imagine a soothing colour or light spreading through the area. Not necessarily erasing it, but definitely comforting, calming, and helping your body manage the pain. Now, without forcing an answer, ask softly, if this pain has something to teach me, what would it be? Maybe it's about rest. Maybe it's about boundaries. Maybe it's about asking for help. Or maybe it's about slowing down, changing something, or tending to yourself with compassion. You don't have to decide right now what it is. Just allow an impression, an image, a word, a feeling to arise. And if nothing comes, that's okay too. You can simply plant the question like it's a seed. So you can say to yourself, in a gentle way, please show me if there's something I need to understand. Now bring your awareness and your consciousness back into your body. Take a slow breath in and out. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes and wiggle your fingers and your toes and carry on with whatever you have to do next.